Display size. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 6.7 inches. Google Pixel 8a is 6.1 inches. Display resolution. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 1290 into 2796 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Google Pixel 8a is 1080 into 2400 pixels, with 430 ppi density. Display type. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. Google Pixel 8a is OLED. Display protector. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is ceramic shield glass. Google Pixel 8a is Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Operating system. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. Google Pixel 8a is Android 14. Chipset. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple A17 Pro. Google Pixel 8a is Google Tensor G3. Processor. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Hexacore processor. Google Pixel 8a is Nonacore processor. GPU. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple GPU. Google Pixel 8a is Immortalis G715 SMC10. RAM. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 8 GB. Google Pixel 8a is 8 GB. ROM. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Google Pixel 8a is 128 GB and 256 GB. Front camera. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 12MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p, and 4K video recordings. Google Pixel 8a is 13MP ultra-wide-angle camera, with 1080p, and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 48MP wide, 12MP periscope telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, and 4K video recordings. Google Pixel 8a is 64MP wide, and 13MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Google Pixel 8a is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 4,441 mAh battery, with 15W fast charging. Google Pixel 8a is 4,492 mAh. Spec winner.